Assalamu alaikum. Tesla, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix. So many people have made thousands of dollars in profits after investing early in companies that are now thriving. However, the truly successful are those who invest for the sake of Allah in projects which will earn them ongoing reward until they meet God on the Day of Judgment. We have one such amazing opportunity in front of us right now to earn plenty of Sadaqah Jariyah rewards on our scales until we meet Allah. The International Open University has been changing lives for the better for many years, and we now need your assistance to help us run vital learning centers for African youth. Their operational cost is about $150,000 a year. So we're looking for 1,500 special people to give only $100 each. Give in charity today by investing in this worthy project and earn continuous Sadaqah Jariyah until the Day of Judgment. For every bit of knowledge these students learn, implement, and go on to teach. Brothers and sisters, please click the link below and donate today. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.